everyone, Jennifer here. Welcome to Natural Home with Jennifer, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Surface Scrub. This is a non-scratching scrub that removes grease. So I was really excited to try this product because I really don't like using the other brand. I don't want to say the brands, but you know, the ones that are not natural. They come in the tall green bottle or a blue bottle too. And I really avoid using those scrubbing brands because if I don't use gloves, I'll get a rash on my hands. Sometimes I used to clean our bathtub with them, and if I didn't rinse it thoroughly, I would feel the water would contain those scrubbing agents. You can get a bit of a skin rash from those. So I have never liked using those, and I was really excited to try this natural alternative. I love the Mrs. Meyer's brand because her brand infuses aromatherapy with her natural cleaning products, and it's just a superior brand. I love them. So today I am going to be reviewing Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Surface Scrub. And I have a fun experiment for you. I scalded my stove with milk. I was boiling milk to make a white sauce or something like that. I can't remember now, but the milk overflowed and it really stained one of the burners. So it was bad. I mean, it was grimy, it was greasy with other things as well, but it was just stained. And I tried cleaning it with so many different things. I tried Clorox, I tried Lysol, I tried scrubbing it with certain things, and it would not come off, okay? Now I didn't try Comet or Ajax because I didn't want to scratch my stove. So that was one thing. So I didn't try that, although I'm sure that those would have gotten it off. But once I decided to switch to all natural products and I got this, I thought, okay, this is it. This is the test. I'm going to try to take this thing off. So I used the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Surface Scrub, and I have the lavender scent here, by the way, which smells amazing. So I thought, okay, let's do this. So here we go. I am going to show you what happens when I tackled this horrible stain on my stove. And as you can see on my stove, I didn't just have that one. All the burners had something around them. And I tell you, I wipe down my stove every night, but I just couldn't get those stains off. So I was excited to do that. Okay, here we go. Let's get these stains out. So as you can see, the stain is pretty bad, especially on this burner right here. So what the scrub recommends is that you actually spray the surface with water. So I just have that in a simple spray bottle, and you spray it with water and then you shake the scrub on top of it. And it's good to let it sit for a little while. So I'm tackling some of the other burners before I did this one. And as you can see, it's already starting to come off. I'm just using a regular scrubbing pad. So anyway, I pour a bit more on there and I tackle the other ones. And actually the directions say there's a household hint. It says, use for all grimy surfaces in your kitchen and bathroom, such as tile, stainless steel, porcelain, and nasty pots and pans. If you're facing a difficult stain, sprinkle our powdered scrub on a wet surface, lightly scrub, and let sit for a few minutes. Make yourself a cup of coffee, finish reading the paper, and then return for a final scrub. Your worries and stains will disappear. And as you can see, it did. I had to get that one little spot out with a toothbrush, but it really worked well. And I didn't even wear gloves, and my hands were fine, so I didn't get a rash. There were no harsh chemicals. It was really amazing. And here is the before and after. This is excellent. I highly recommend it. It smells amazing. She has all different sorts of scents for this, but the lavender is something that I've used and I can recommend. It got the stains out, and I'm excited to use this on bathtubs. You know, you can even use it on your pots and pans and be confident. She says this is made with plant-derived cleaners, natural minerals, natural essential oils, and sodium percarbonate. It does not have chlorine, no harsh acids, no formaldehyde, no artificial colors, and no phthalates. So anyway, I highly recommend this. It's an excellent scrub. If you are interested in this, I get all of my cleaning products from Grove Collaborative. I will leave a link down below along with an amazing offer for you to get a free gift. So I hope that you enjoyed this review. If you have any requests for future natural product reviews, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for joining me today on the Daily Connoisseur, and I will see you soon. Bye!